Hello children. In this video, let us see what is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is applicable for a right angle triangle. We know that in a right angle triangle, one of the angle is equal to 90 degrees. So the side that is opposite to 90 degrees is called as hypotenuse. And the two sides that form this 90 degrees angle are called as legs. So every right angle triangle will have two legs and one hypotenuse. Always hypotenuse is opposite side of the 90 degrees angle. So these are few key points. And always in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. Let us see few examples. In triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degrees. So the side that is opposite to angle Q is PR. So hypotenuse is PR as it is right angled at Q. Next one. Here angle A is 90 degrees. So BC is opposite to angle A. So BC is the hypotenuse as this triangle is right angled at A. Next, in this figure, angle X is equal to 90 degrees. YZ is opposite to angle X. So YZ is the hypotenuse. And next one, angle U is 90 degrees. ST is opposite to angle U. So the hypotenuse is ST. What actually Pythagoras theorem states? Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square is equal to leg 1 square plus leg 2 square. Before discussing how we got this formula, let us see one real life application of Pythagoras theorem. Suppose you have to fix a bulb to the holder. Actually the bulb will be above the ground level. So this is the wall. So to fix this bulb, you must put a ladder which is placed slanted, inclined. So you have to climb up this ladder to fix that bulb. Actually this looks like a right angled triangle. So we can find the length of this ladder by using Pythagoras theorem. Let us see how we got that hypotenuse square is equal to leg 1 square plus leg 2 square. For that, let us take a square. Let us mark few points xy on this. Let us join them in this way. Now we can see that after joining, we have got 4 right angled triangles. Let us color those for easy identification. So we got 4 right angled triangles here with the legs x and y, and the hypotenuse in this case is z for all the right angle triangles because all those are equal. Now let us take one more frame with the same right angle triangles, but they are rearranged in this manner so that these are the sides, and in this way, so these are the sides. Now let us see one more thing. So in the first frame, the unshaded part is a square with the side z. In the second frame, the unshaded part is 2 squares with the side x and y. So the area of the unshaded part in the first frame is equal to z square, and the area of unshaded part in the second frame is equal to x square plus y square, as they both are squares. Now this is actually the scenario which we have got. The unshaded part in the first frame is z square, and the unshaded part in the second frame is x square and y square. So therefore the unshaded part in both the frames is equal. So that is z square is equal to x square plus y square. Here the z square is nothing but the hypotenuse of each right angle triangle, and x square and y square are the squares of the legs. So from this we can tell that hypotenuse square is equal to leg 1 square plus leg 2 square. Let us see one example here. This is a right angle triangle with the legs as 3 units, 4 units and 5 units. Always hypotenuse is the longest side. So 5 units is the hypotenuse. Let us construct squares on all these three sides. So as it is 3 units, the square of 3 which is equal to 9. And here it is 16 which is equal to 4 square. And next on the hypotenuse, if you construct a square, we get 25 which is equal to 5 square. We know that hypotenuse square is equal to leg 1 square plus leg 2 square. So 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16. 9 plus 16 which is equal to 25. 25 is equal to 25. Therefore, it is satisfied. And we call the numbers which satisfy the above equation, we call them as Pythagorean triplets. Let us see one example here. This is a right angled triangle, right angled at C. The measurements are AC is equal to 6 centimeters and BC is equal to 8 centimeters. You must find the length of AB. As it is right angled at C, AB acts as the hypotenuse. So we must find the measurement of AB. We know that hypotenuse square is equal to leg 1 square plus leg 2 square. In this triangle, AB is the hypotenuse, AC and BC are the legs. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is equal to 36 and 8 square is equal to 64. So AB square is equal to 36 plus 64. AB square is equal to 100. We know that when the square shifts to the other side, it becomes square root. So AB is equal to square root of 100. So AB is equal to 10 centimeters. Hope you have understood Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.